Hello and welcome to the new session of Data Science for Beginners. So, in my last session, I was discussing about the Python data structures, that is the types of list. And today I'll be continuing with the same. To look at, we have covered indexing, negative indexing, append functions, types of list, in some inbuilt functions, how to check the length of the list, and yeah, that's it. That's all. So today I'll be continuing with some more functions. I have already written a few here. Functions to arrange the data, sort to arrange data in ascending order, append, reverse to add data at a particular index, pop function, pop with index number, remove, clear, delete list name, extend. So how do we work with these? Let's just take examples. We'll understand with examples with a list that we had already created. Fruit list dot sort. I have already defined a fruit list. Okay, I'll just call once again here fruit list. This is our fruit list already been defined. Now in this I want to sort it. Okay, it has been sorted. Now we can call it once again fruit list. Yeah. How it has sorted? Alphabetically, A first, second B, then whichever comes G, K, M. Apple, banana, grapes, kiwi, mango. Okay, and by default, it arranges in ascending order. If you want to arrange it in a descending way, you can arrange it with fruit list dot reverse, like reverse it. Let's start from the ending. Let's make the last key one as first. And if I call it fruit list, now it has been reversed. Mango, kiwi, grapes, banana. Now apple was here first, now apple is last. Mango was last, mango is first. So how does it matter? It actually changes the value of indexing. If I ask if in the reverse, if I check which is the second element, it is kiwi. If in the sorted ascending order list, if I ask which is the key, which is the element at indexing number 2, that is banana. So this is there is a difference. Okay, so this was sort and reverse, and append I have already told you, and I'll just give one more example over here. Like append I had explained fruit list fruit list dot append. If I want to add let's say pineapple, it has okay, this is the command I'm giving, and this is the name I'm calling. That after making this change, show me with the change. Now pineapple has been added, but by default, append adds item in the list, item in the list at the last. Okay, as the last element. So I've sorted append reverse done to add data at a particular index. But append always adds the data, the element, the item in the last of the list. If we want to add it, or let's suppose I want to add it on the between mango and kiwi. So I want that pineapple should be having indexing number 2. Then I'll be doing fruit list dot insert, because I'm inserting it in between the items. Insert on the key on the name 1. Now kiwi and mango. Mango is having indexing as 0, kiwi is having 1. but I want pineapple to come in between. So mango will be 0 and pineapple will become 1. So I'm placing 1 and actually pineapple I've already given. Let's just see if this, let's see if it creates a duplicate item or not. Yes, it does. The duplicate item has been already created. I have already given pineapple in the append function and it has been added in the last, but again I said that please insert pineapple as on the first one number indexing and it has been added. Now we have two pineapples in the list. So by this we understand that list can have duplicate values. But what is the difference between this pineapple and this pineapple? There is a difference of indexing. If I ask for fruit list 1, what is 1? Pineapple. Fruit list, and this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. These are the name of the elements are same, but these are two different items. Now let's understand. If I want to add another line in one more example, I'll be giving here for insert function. Fruit list dot insert. I'm giving a command and I want to add it on indexing number 4. I want to add orange. Now I will have to ask what is the updated fruit list? It is here. Okay, the space was not long big enough, so it is appearing in the vertical line way, but it is simply like this. Okay, so this was our insert function, and after insert, we see insert has been done. Now we see pop to remove the last object in the list. Pop. Now fruit list dot pop. It's a function. By default, the pop function removes the last item from the list. Okay, now the new list is having now that pineapple from the last has been removed. The new list is this. Up to apple, pineapple has been removed. If I again apply fruit list dot pop, now what it will again remove the last element. Apple has it is giving us the answer that apple was the last element and it has been removed. Now what if I see what is the fruit list? Sorry. Again, apple has been removed. Now it has up to banana, mango, pineapple. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there now. Basically 6 are there. It is counting from 6. So that 0 was the indexing number. If I want to remove a particular item, so I have to define its indexing to the system and it will remove it from there. I don't want to just randomly remove an element or an item from my list from the last, but I want to remove a particular. Now, if I want to remove kiwi, fruit list pop. Now I'll define its indexing number under this. Kiwi, what is the indexing number? 0, 1, 2, 2. It's saying kiwi is the last one. Now kiwi has been removed. Okay, so in this method this way we can use the pop function. let's see if I want to check this, if I want to remove orange, but I want to, can I remove this by negative indexing? Yes, because it understands. It is having the understanding of both positive and negative indexing. If I have given the command of a positive or negative indexing, and if an item is available on in the list on that indexing, it will remove it.